This is a public service announcement. Ladies and gentlemen, the U.S. Representative for Georgia's 14th Congressional District, Marjorie Taylor Greene.
And the latest news is, Brian, that now there's a shortage of tampons. And that's probably because men are buying tampons. And
Is this breaking news right now?
Yeah.
Is this a joke?
No, it's
Am I
not
being
a
punked
joke.
right now? Are you
No.
telling me that this is legit?
I'm telling you the truth. You can look it
We
up.
have that many.
Look it up on the internet.
All of us at KMRD-LP 96.9 FM, Madrid, New Mexico, urge you to please have all household lead paint professionally remediated before raising a child.
Men are buying tampons. You can look it
We
up.
have that many.
Look it up on the internet. Everything's true on the internet. Everything's true on the internet. Men are buying tampons. Everything's true on the internet.